Yo, what's good? It's Life. I want to personally invite you guys out to our men's worship, Man Up or Man Down event going down on the 30th of this month, which is this Saturday. Please show up. All y'all brothers. I need my brothers from New Jersey, Philly, to Connecticut, Boston, even, of course, New York. Everybody come out, come support the event. It's going to be popping. We're going to be worshiping. Fellas coming up together, you know what I'm saying? Sons of God Fellowship. Look out for the ministry. We're doing some great things for the kingdom of God. And we definitely want you guys to be a part of it, all right? So it's your boy Second Life. Let's make it happen. Let's change the world. Let's change the state of the manhood, all right? Let's do it right now. Peace.